Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Charge the Nuvi above 50% and keep it powered during the update to avoid corruption. Once done, install Garmin Express on your computer because it manages firmware and map packages. Plug the Nuvi with its original USB cable so the connection stays stable. You want the device to appear as connected in Garmin Express. While the app scans, make sure Windows or Mac drivers finish installing. This establishes the foundation for safe downloads and installs. You now handle the downloads. Sign into Garmin Express and add your Nuvi if it is not already listed. This associates device data and available updates. Next, review the list of map and software updates and note each download size because large packages can take time. Click Download and watch progress. Garmin Express stages files on your computer before pushing them to the Nuvi. Make sure not to disconnect the USB cable. Interruptions can leave the firmware or maps unusable. Finish by letting Garmin Express finish the transfer and confirm the install. Then safely eject the Nuvi from your computer so file systems close cleanly. You should reboot the unit and check settings about to verify the new firmware or map version. If the update does not apply or the device won't boot, try one key troubleshooting step. Reconnect using a different USB port or cable, reinstall Garmin Express, and repeat the download. That often fixes driver or transfer errors and completes the update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.